All right, here's our homework practice 11-5. We're using models to subtract. And I'm going to leave that optional. If you would like to do your models on the side, that's great. You guys are amazing at regrouping. So this goes through the steps of how you can draw the pictures and subtract it out and that sort of thing. It's got them modeled on the side. Again, you don't need to use it unless you'd like to. If you'd like the extra support, that's great. But again, you don't need to. So let's go down here. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we have our 9 minus 5 is 4. And then we have 4 here, and we're supposed to subtract 9 from it, but we don't have 9. We only had 4. So we took one group of 100, unbundled it into a group of 10. Now we have a total of 14, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, I'm sorry, we're doing 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gives us 5 left, 1 here and 4 here. And then we had 500s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We unbundled one and put it over there. So that gave us 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at this. 5 minus 6. I have 5 over here. Can I subtract 6? No, I don't have 6. So I'm going to need to take this group of 10 and unbundle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So technically now I have 15. Okay? I had to borrow 1 from over here and put it here. So 3 now is 2. 1, 2. And my 5 plus 10 is 15. So I have 15 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives me 9 left over. And then I have 2 10s left. I'm going to subtract 1, lets me know I only have 1 10. And then we don't need to regroup over here. Did we do anything with the hundreds? We didn't unbundle them and put them in the tens place value. So we're just going to leave it how it is. 8 minus 5 is 3. So your answer is 319 on that one. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it and go to the back page on here. Okay, subtract, then circle the problems where you regroup. So it's going to ask us to circle the problems where we regroup to solve. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 6, yeah, that's not going to work. If I have 3, I can't take away 6 from it. That's impossible. So that we're going to take 10 over here, and that's going to become 13, and 4 minus 1 is going to become 3. 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. I had to regroup it, so I'm going to circle it. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Did I have to regroup that one? Nope. So I am not going to circle it. Okay, 1 minus 0 is 1 minus nothing is 1. Sorry. 1 minus nothing is 1. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is not going to work. So that's going to have to become 18 and 2 because we moved that group of 10 over here and we moved one group of 10 over, so we only have 2 groups of hundreds. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get a difference of 191. We did have to regroup this one, so we're going to circle it. Okay, let's take a look at our next one. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 9 minus 3 is 6. We did not need to regroup on that one, so we have a difference of 627. Okay, let's take a look at our last one on the top row. 3 minus 1 is 2. We didn't need to regroup that one. 2 minus 7, yeah, we can't do that one. So that's going to become 12, and that's going to become 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, 252. So we did have to regroup on that one. Okay, let's take a look at our higher order thinking. Look at the differences in the problems above. Find 2 that you can complete to subtract to get a difference of 354. So we want the answer down here to be 354. Then complete the work mat. So this is just our work mat here to show your subtraction. So we need 2 numbers in the ones place that we can subtract to get 4. So let's see. 3 minus 4, that's not going to work. 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. We're going to need a larger number on top. So let's take a look at these differences. The largest number I see here is 627. So let's start there with 7. 7 minus what equals 4? So 7 minus 3 equals 4. So I'm going to look for, in the ones place, a 3. Here we go. So we've got to have this. 627 minus 273. Minus 273. Now let's see if this makes sense. 7 minus 3 is 4. Yep. 2 minus 7. We got to make that right. So we know we're going to have to regroup because 2 minus 7 won't work. So that's going to become 12, and that's going to become 5. Now let's check that. 12 minus 7 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Excellent job. So yeah, when you subtract, kind of look at the largest numbers that are up there, and then take a look at the numbers in the ones place to help out with that one. Okay, let's take a look. These two are Common Core assessments. When we see that symbol, that lets us know that there will be questions like that on our test. Okay, so a farm has 319 animals. 136 of the animals are pigs. How many are not pigs? So we're going to do 319 minus 136. And again, you can unbundle and draw it here if you'd like to, or just go ahead and see if it needs to be regrouped. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 3. If I have 1, I can't take away 3 from it. Just doesn't work. So we are going to have to regroup this one. That's going to become 11. That's going to become 2. 11 minus 3 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 183 animals are not pigs. Okay, let's take a look at our last one. An office building is 332 feet tall. An apartment building is 208 feet tall. How many more feet taller is the office building? So we're going to subtract it out. 332 minus 208. 2 minus 8. Oh, right off the bat, it's having us regroup. That's going to become a 12. That becomes a 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 1. Let's take a look. Oh, that was easy. A 124. Great job, everybody.